For sale. This 2020 Ford F-150 XL SuperCrew 4x4 pickup offers the perfect combination of crew comfort, light-duty capability, and utility-ready outfitting. With a spacious 4-door configuration, 5.5-foot bed, and factory-installed upgrades, this truck is ideal for fleet use, service operations, or anyone in need of a reliable, multi-purpose work vehicle. It's powered by a 2.7L EcoBoost V6 engine, delivering 325 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed 10R80 automatic transmission. Built on a 145-inch wheelbase and featuring a GVWR of 6,600 lbs, this unit rides on a single rear axle, rated at 3,350 lbs, with a spring suspension setup and steel wheels. The 26-gallon fuel tank offers solid range, while the shift-on-the-fly 4x4 system makes it easy to transition between road and off-road conditions. Factory options and features include the power equipment package, chrome appearance package, platform running boards, and rear view camera. Safety and stability are supported by Advanced Track with Roll Stability Control, RSC. The bed is equipped with a decked drawer system and topped with a utility cap, ideal for tool organization, security, and functionality on the job site. This one-owner truck has a clean Carfax with documented service records and was fleet maintained. Finished in white with a gray interior, it presents as a clean, ready-to-work pickup that offers versatility, comfort, and capability.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership. Because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.